Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kakot Kakya Uba Wailadmiki Jylla ha kahendu trik urisau 8,000 apusan ulapan syai bagajing ya Bhah Pule Mbbs na Bhah ka Jylla kadai kabale Katkum ka standard operating procedure. Haba juba pikijing keno bale bomhok uba Wailad haba yakran bakinong tho khobor uloong watla kidan katu kat ni kijing sngokhya balapan sngo de kiseng bahalang kentup ka KSU bat GSU Henry kababun hi na kani kakam kadai kabalala ban penben Menteri ula batai baki samla puli bayo bon marks lani kita ki top scorer na kathop jangki khasi jantia kila jet ban yaine hapo ka Bhah balabo kerpang lani kata ka reserve category watla kilala ban jet ka Bhah baklambo kerpang lani kata ka unreserved category Henry hadin balapan sngow ya kijing sngow kya kini ki samla puli kilapan pau ya kijing kloy ban shimno ya ka Bhah ka baklambo kerpang Habayadei berkajing seng ya ki medical college batmai. Menteri ulapan pau ya ka jingkwa jongka sorkar ban seng ya ka medical college hajawai nongston bat ki weipat ki benta jong ka Jylla. Henry ula banjur ba ka jingla ban pentrei kam bat ka jing penbiang ka plating ka kanlong ka bakongsan ha ka ban pentikna ya kini ki project ki long ne ban pentrei. Halor ka jinglong jingman ki artli ki medical college uba Wailadmiki Jylla uloong baga jing selok kadang yat pan penrong kelas ki samla pule hashlong medical college kat ba ka jingtrei jongkatura medical college kadang sateng ban pendep.
You see, means like since I think we should not only see about this year, but even the because this is quite common because every year there's something come up. But at least this year, one thing you can say that because of the SOP reform, so I think in order regarding the allotment of seat, I think all the parent of the student who came for the counseling, they are quite happy because they got the seat means according to the merit. So no doubt there was some concern raised by some of the NGOs, especially from KSU and JSU. So we have called them, we have met them. So regarding one student who the topper in the reserve category, Khasi Jaintia. So she was supposed to be upgraded to this unreserved because her mark is higher to some of the candidates. So because in the SOP, so it is clearly mentioned, it is up to the candidate to choose because since she is qualified both in UR and reserve, so it's up to her to choose. So okay, at that time, at that particular moment, she said that she will stay in the Khasi Jaintia. So at that moment, so that's why we declared the list. So later on, then because of the concern raised by the NGOs, and then later on, she herself also called that she is ready to go to the UR. So today we call a meeting, and then from all of us, so we have come up, everyone of the opinion, since she is already agreed, then from the department also we have no issues. So I think by now everything is sorted. I think desire of not only in Jowai, in other part, let's say in Nongston, in other part also. So definitely I think the government will see, because first also we have to see the feasibility, and then there is a huge, I think a lot of the financial also is there. So we'll consider, we are looking into that matter.
Can you tell us an update on the medical colleges?
No, Shillong, we already the counselling is already on. We are going for the third round of counselling. So for Tura now, because even there is still construction part is still pending on. So we are waiting for that.